this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the DeWalt 20 volt max coil roofing nailer. These nails right here were shot in sequential fashion. That is, you squeeze the trigger each time, and the advantage of that is you can be more accurate with each placement. And these were shot in bump fashion, and the advantage of that is it's a lot faster. To work with it in sequential fashion, you just press the trigger each time you want to shoot a nail, and for bump fashion, you just keep the trigger depressed. There's no lever or button or anything you push for bump versus sequential. It's just a matter of holding the trigger down that gives you the bump mode. This gun shoots 15 degree 0.12 inch shank roofing nails from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inches. Let me show you how it's loaded. So the first thing you want to do for safety is take off the battery. Then to open up the mechanism for the nails, you squeeze this and this together and open this up. And these are 1 inch roofing nails right here. See, this comes out like that. And let me show you how it's loaded. Okay, first of all, whenever you load nails, the heads of the nails, okay, these are 1 inch coiled roofing nails. The heads of the nails go right in this slot right here. Now this area right here is called a pawl, P-A-W-L, and the second to the last nail goes right there. There's one in the chamber, okay? So I'm going to tell you more about this later, but right now I'm going to just put this in and show you where it goes. One goes in the pawl right here, and one goes in the chamber. All right, you see this piece right here moves up and down, and you can put it on position number 1, position number 2, or position number 3. So here I've put it in position number 3. There's a little piece that goes in this slot right here. That's position number 3. And position number 3 is for nails that are 1.5 inches to 1 3/4 inches. So these are 1.5 inch coil roofing nails, 15 degree. Okay, so you take it and you put it in just like that. We're going to take and put one nail in the chamber. There's one nail in this little slot right here. I got the heads of the nails right here. Okay, so now I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to close this up, and then I can shoot a nail. So say we'd like to shoot 1 inch nails. Okay, so squeeze these together, open this up, and take your 1.5 inch nails out. We're going to change this to position 2. Position 2 does 1 inch nails to 1 1/4 inch nails. Lift this up and change that to position 2. All right, so it's the same situation now. So the last nail is in the chamber right here. The second to last nail is in this holder right here. And then all the heads of the nails are in this slot. So then we close it up and latch it like that, and we're ready to go. So here I have some 7/8 inch nails. So I'm going to put this on position 1. That's in position 1. Now we'll put the 7/8 inch nails right on there, and I'm going to put one nail in the chamber, one in the holder, and all the nail heads have to be in that slot right there. And you close up the cover and close up the latch, and there you go. We'll put a battery on it, and there you are. So that's a 7/8 inch nail. There's position 3, which is 1.5 inches to 1 3/4 inches, and there's position 2, which is 1 to 1 1/4 inches, and there's position 1, which in the manual it says 3/4 inch, but I happen to have 7/8 inch nails. I've tried it both ways, and I think it's best on position 1. So I'd say that this position 1 is 3/4 and 7/8. On the nose of the tool, there's a depth adjustment knob. Now you see there's a little symbol right next to the number 1 that shows a nail not quite going down all the way. That symbolizes that number 1 is the shallowest depth. And you go to 2, that'd be a little deeper. Number 3 would be a little deeper. Number 4, a little deeper than that. And number 5 is the deepest setting. And you see there's a little symbol right next to the number 5 that shows the nail down a little too far. And so that's your depth adjustment, and you can use that while you're working to get the nail just right. The tool features a lever for clearing jammed nails. It also features a belt hook, a brushless motor, and it features LED lights that will warn you when the battery is about to run out of power. With a 2 amp hour battery attached and a full coil of nails in the tool, I weighed the tool at 7 pounds, 14 ounces. The canister can hold up to 120 wire collated roofing nails, and the gun can shoot up to 500 nails per charge with a 2 amp hour battery. That means it can install up to 1 square, which is 100 square feet, of asphalt roofing shingles per charge. DeWalt says in the manual that this gun can shoot 3 nails a second. I have 1-inch nails in here, which of course I have it on position 2 in the holder, and I have the depth adjustment at number 1, so it's the least adjustment. So let's see what it can do. So here I have shot 9 nails in 4.5 seconds, which is a little slower than 3 nails per second, but it's not bad, and I think I get a little faster if I really worked at it. And notice they're all nice and flat. It looks good. I really think that this is a well thought out roofing nailer. In particular, I like the 3-tiered system of the canister. That makes your nails come in straight into the firing chamber. I absolutely love that you don't have to use an air hose with this. Air hoses are extremely dangerous on roofs. This nailer is ideal for service repairs and small jobs. I also like that it uses standard size nails like these that I bought from Amazon. I'll put links in my video description for the DeWalt 20 volt max cordless coil roofing nailer, and I'll put links for a variety of roofing nails such as the Bostitch 1¼ inch roofing nail, the B&C Eagle 1 inch and 1¾ inch coil roofing nails, and the Grip-Rite 3/4 inch coiled roofing nails. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.